Tell you what, it's a chocolate melting kind of forecast because things are going to be getting very warm here in the next couple days. I know you see what I did there, right? Let's take a look at where things are going over the next 6 hours. We do have some isolated rain and rumble chances that will remain, but for the most part, I think dry weather will be the prevailing forecast. And you can see the mostly cloudy skies begin to develop as we get into the latter part of the night. All of those clouds are coming on the backside of bigger storms that are off to the east of us. But look at these little pops that have popped across a good part of northern Ohio, especially east of 71, just south of Akron down toward the Portage Lakes. And then you go north, look up here into portions of Richfield and just over the border into Brecksville, seeing a little shower and rumbler that just popped up. These are going to continue to fade off to the southwest, and they will be kind of fizzling as they do so. There's a little bit closer vantage point for you over into areas east of Canton, just a little isolated storm. You're probably actually seeing that towering cumulonimbus from downtown Canton. And then there's that little one that's up around the Richfield area, and then more scattered showers off to the south. A lot of this is just kind of bubbling up, and then they'll rain themselves out. And as they do so, they could result in some gusty winds. But we're getting some pretty good downpours out of all of that. As I mentioned, we are on the backside of bigger storms that are out to the east of us. You can't help but kind of see this general broad circulation that's going on. That is an area of low pressure in the upper part of the atmosphere. It's been here for a few days. That's why we had the scattered storms, went through the weekend, and then we had hail and everything. It kind of got a little crazy. But look at all the clouds that are coming on the backside of all of that. That's why we'll go with a variably cloudy sky as we go through the overnight hours tonight. And I mentioned the jet stream pattern. You can kind of see the changes that are developing. As this area of low pressure moves out, we'll have this that's developing in the plain states, and that becomes a part of our forecast later on. But when you take a look at the big picture, mid-level wind flow, okay, the mean wind flow for the atmosphere, you start to see these brighter colors up here. That's a mid-level jet, so it's high-speed winds, and that will actually help to pull our upper level low out. So what will come behind? Well, more chances for that warm weather to return to the forecast, and it looks like it's going to be pretty toasty over the next few days. We'll go partly cloudy for the day tomorrow. I think we'll have some clouds around in the morning, and then we'll see sunshine in the afternoon. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast has us into the upper 80s then. Wednesday looks very toasty, humid too. Muggy on Thursday with mid-80s and storms developing. We'll continue to have those scattered storms as we go through the day on Friday. May linger a little bit on Saturday, but I think for the most part Saturday is looking dry. That 30% may be a little pessimistic, but temperatures very seasonable through the weekend with low 80s. Back to you.
Chocolate milkshake sort of day. If that melts, it's okay.
And it doesn't matter, melted solid, chips, bars, I don't care as long as it's dark chocolate.
It is all good. Thank you,
Thanks,
Betsy.
Betsy.